welcome back guys. I've done my shopping. It's raining here in Narok. Start my journey to Bomet again. Hey guys, don't forget, subscribe, like and comment. It's raining. I told you earlier, this is a good place to invest. It rains, potential in business. These matatu guys, they are rough drivers. They drive roughly. Don't mind guys. Now I'm heading to Bomet. The next 2 hours I'll be in Bomet town. You know, beginners like me in YouTube have a lot of challenges, but we are there very strongly. What I'm just requesting is, guys, just subscribe, like and comment. Give me advice aloud. D Mwanko, D, Yangal D, please support me. I know that when you bazoo in YouTube. I just love the way you do it. I liked your videos by the time ulikuwa Jamaica. You did wow. My channel, Real Experts. Real Experts. Real expert. I'm real expert. This is timber, construction material, already loaded to the truck to the site. all the way from Kilimambogo Hills, Suswa, Tulele, Narok to Bomet. Guys, I have a stopover here because I need like a small nyama choma. I like this place. It's called Laikipia Meat Den and Butchery. Laikipia Butchery. I'll be back, guys. Yes, guys, welcome back again. Back on my way, heading to Bomet. Still raining here in Narok. Today seems too much busy. I'm leaving Narok town. Next town is called Kachakala. That's a Maasai language, Maasai name, the Ma name, the Ma clan. Wow, the Maasais. I told you earlier, this is a drive 4 hours to 5 hours. If there was any traffic at the escarpment, Even you can spend even 5 hours, 6 hours. But today the run was not bad. The road was not bad. There's a place here I usually buy honey. So let me buy my honey. A small tin of 250 bob. Community Honey Collection Center. And see beehives. This is honey, pure honey. Let me collect my honey. Hi, this guy is the one who sells honey. Jina unaitwa nani? Alex. Alex is a good guy. He's selling pure honey in Narok. Just past Narok, you'll get nice honey. Nice, pure one. Wow, thank you. I'll be back, guys. Let me pay this guy. Hi, guys. Welcome back. The inside of the shop now. You see honey, pure honey.
Pure honey.
Pure honey. How much do you sell the big tin? 1,000. Guys, stop here in Narok and have some honey. Stop here. Alex, I'm so much happy to meet you. Thank you. I'll be back again, eh?
Okay.
Thank you, guys. Okay, back to my way. Bye-bye. Narok beekeeping. Bye-bye. Bye-bye, guys. Wow, just look at the beehives. You can see the Maasai sheep and goats from grazing. I'm turning now to connect the main road. Community Honey Collection, Narok branch. Sweet honey. I bought it here 3 weeks back. It's very nice. Just apply it in your bread and enjoy the breakfast. Back on the way. Now it's Bomet Road now. Narok, Bomet and Kisii. I told you earlier, I like driving slowly, I like doing adventure, I like saying hi to people, I like knowing how people stay, how people feel. Yesterday I was in Cumberland, I was talking my vernacular with that old mzee over 90 years old. And I promised guys that I'll go back there. I want to do something for that guy. That mzee doesn't have beddings, and I'll do it. I'll do a surprise to him. He taught me how to farm. After I finished my school, my high school, he taught me how I can plant maize well, how I can do horticulture. Then Hod mzee, over 90 years old. God bless that mzee a lot. Bless him. I went there with another guy who was my rider. I'll call him and send him to the market and do some shopping for that mzee. Beddings. Heading to Bomet, my workplace. Real experts in the construction industry.